Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become an essential part of our everyday lives. Whether we realize it or not, AI systems make our lives easier in countless ways. From recommending movies to watch on streaming platforms to helping navigate through busy city streets, AI is all around us. You may have interacted with these virtual assistants without even knowing it. They're there when you ask your smartphone a question or when you need help on a website. But why is this technology becoming so widespread? What is it about these chatty machines that's reshaping the way we communicate, work, and live? Stay tuned. We are going to uncover the fascinating rise of conversational AI, the technology that's making our machines not just tools, but interactive companions. In the realm of artificial intelligence, chatbots have a surprisingly rich history. The first instance of a chatbot can be traced back to the 1960s with a program named ELIZA. Created by MIT professor Joseph Weizenbaum, ELIZA mimicked a Rogerian psychotherapist, engaging in conversation with users and often rephrasing their statements as questions. While rudimentary by today's standards, ELIZA was groundbreaking for its time. Moving forward, chatbot technology began to evolve. In the 1970s, a chatbot named Perry was developed, simulating the behavior of a person with paranoid schizophrenia. Perry and ELIZA even had a conversation once, marking a symbolic interaction between two chatbots. The 1990s saw the rise of commercial chatbots, with companies recognizing the potential of AI-powered conversation. Smarter Child was one such chatbot that millions used on platforms like AOL Instant Messenger. More recently, advancements in machine learning and natural language processing have led to the creation of highly sophisticated chatbots. They're no longer confined to simple text-based interactions. Today's chatbots can understand human speech, interpret emotions, and provide personalized responses. Notable milestones include IBM's Watson winning Jeopardy! In 2011, showcasing the potential for AI to understand and respond to complex human language. The key ingredient that powers these talkative machines is something known as natural language processing, or NLP for short. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps computers understand, interpret, and produce human language. Think of it as the bridge that allows a machine to translate our words, sentences, and questions into something it can process and act upon. When you ask a chatbot a question, the NLP system goes to work. It breaks down the sentence into parts, analyzing the grammar, context, and intent. By figuring out what you mean, not just what you say, it can formulate a relevant response. From answering simple questions to becoming our virtual companions, chatbots are more than mere machines. They're reflections of our ongoing effort to make technology not just functional, but also communicative and responsive to our needs. Imagine asking your weather app, "Do I need an umbrella today?" The chatbot must understand that you're asking about the weather forecast and whether it's going to rain in your location. Once it processes that information, it can provide an accurate answer. Ever asked Siri for a restaurant recommendation or requested Alexa to play your favorite song? These virtual assistants are examples of chatbots using NLP to understand and respond to your requests. The first step in understanding language is breaking down a sentence into individual words or tokens. For example, the sentence, "How's the weather?" becomes "How's the weather?" Parsing helps in understanding the grammatical structure of a sentence. It determines how words relate to each other, identifying subjects, verbs, and objects. Sentiment analysis gauges the mood or sentiment behind what's being said. Is the user happy, angry, or neutral? Sentiment analysis can tell. Named entity recognition, NER, identifies specific entities like names, places, or dates within the text. Using all the analyzed data, the chatbot can create a relevant response, which might be a direct answer, a follow-up question, or an action like booking a ticket. Today's most well-known chatbots are virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. They've become household names, helping us with everything from setting alarms to providing recipes. These chatbots not only process text, but also understand voice commands. They can recognize different accents and even individual voices within a household. Over time, they learn from our behaviors and preferences, allowing for more personalized and helpful interactions. What makes them even more remarkable is their ability to learn and adapt. The more you interact with them, the better they get at recognizing your voice, your preferences, and even your way of speaking. Chatbots are more than just lines of code. They're complex systems that mirror human conversation, thanks to natural language processing. In recent years, chatbots have moved beyond mere novelties to become essential tools in various industries. They're no longer confined to tech-savvy companies, but are now ubiquitous in areas ranging from customer service to healthcare. Let's take a closer look at how they're changing our world. Gone are the days when customers had to wait in line to get their queries answered. Chatbots are available around the clock, ready to assist at any time. By analyzing previous interactions, chatbots can offer tailored responses and recommendations, enhancing the customer experience. Unlike human agents, chatbots can simultaneously handle multiple queries, reducing waiting time. Through constant interaction with customers, chatbots gather valuable insights that can be used to improve products and services, and now they also give recommendations to improve product and service. Some advanced chatbots even allow users to upload pictures to search for similar items like Google Lens. Patients can schedule appointments without human interaction, making the process faster and more efficient. The rapid advancements in conversational AI are paving the way for a future where interaction with machines will become as natural as talking to a friend. With virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, voice interaction is becoming more prominent. The future may see voice activation in everything from cars to home appliances. Future chatbots will likely understand and communicate in multiple languages effortlessly, bridging language barriers. Imagine virtual shopping experiences where a chatbot helps you pick out clothes in a virtual mall, or AR-guided museum tours narrated by an AI. Conversational AI can make technology accessible to those with disabilities, such as visually impaired individuals using voice commands. Remote monitoring and virtual health assistants can reach underserved areas, improving healthcare availability. Efficient resource utilization through AI can lead to more sustainable practices across industries. Automation and enhanced customer experiences can boost productivity and economic development. Conversational AI often requires access to personal and sensitive information to function effectively. The question of how this data is stored, used, and shared is paramount. Stringent measures must be in place to protect privacy and ensure that information is handled responsibly. AI models may inadvertently learn biases present in the data on which they are trained. This can lead to unequal treatment or misrepresentation of certain groups. As we've seen, conversational AI is not just a technological advancement. It's a significant force that's shaping many aspects of our daily lives. From transforming customer service to facing the ethical challenges ahead, the world of chatbots and AI-driven communication opens doors to numerous opportunities. What's your take on the rise of conversational AI? Comment down below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do like this video and hit the subscribe button for interesting and engaging content.